Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about an item that not many people know about or don't know what it's about if they've seen it before, and that is the water claw. What is a water claw? So the water claw is mainly used for oversaturated carpets, floods, or mostly for pet urine, because the urine goes down quickly with gravity down into the padding and deep into the carpet, depending on how deep and dense your carpet is. So a lot of times, by the time you get to the house, it could have been a couple of days. The customer maybe didn't call you right away, and now that urine is underneath at the padding of the carpet, right? So you could extract it, your regular cleaning, hot water extraction, but it's not going to come out. It's going to resurface. The stains and the smell is going to be there. So this is probably the best way to take care of that with a water claw. The process of using the water claw is very simple. Obviously you do have different sizes and different designs, but they all work the same way. You plug in your vacuum to it, you saturate the area that you want to clean out to kind of push the urine up, and the bad water that you want to get out of there, you want to push that up, you want to bring it up and kind of force it up. So you want to saturate the area around it, then plug in your vacuum, turn the vacuum on, and press it firmly on that area that you want to extract. And they all have a clear top, so you can see that it's actually working. You can see how dirty the water is at the beginning, and then how it gets cleaner, the longer you have it. And you can basically like press it around different areas, and just work around, do your cleaning, work around it, do a couple of passes, press it down on one area, then press it down on another area and come back. But the idea is that you want to saturate the area first with more water, kind of like bombard it with water, and then it'll help it bring it up, and then you can extract that. If you see at the bottom of it, it has a certain design. It has holes, and they're like kind of angled up in a way to create maximum suction all around that small area, that small inch, that's focusing on. So this is like a glorified vacuum wand, let's say, because it's being the best at what it's doing. It's not trying to be a wand, it's not trying to be an extractor, it's just the best suction that you could get in the best way. You have it where it's getting all around. You're not going to have any spots that is going to be left behind because of how this is designed at the bottom. It's going to press down firmly into the carpet, and it's going to suck everything back up. There's really no other way to explain it. But that's it. If you have any questions, give us a call. Go on our website, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, leave a comment, and that's it. Have a good one.